Welcome guys in our new video. In this video we are going to learn one more exciting function of Excel which is very important. So this is our third version of lookup series. So please watch our complete video, and if you are new to our channel, so please subscribe our channel. You will get red color subscribe button below the video, and also press bell icon for latest update. So before start video, let me introduce myself. My name is Bhupender Singh and you are watching BHL Academy. So guys, in this video we are going to learn lookup function. Lookup function is very important. So here you can see guys, we have a very small data and also we have a answer. So let's delete this and start from the beginning. Type equal sign, type lookup, and here you can see we have two variant of lookup function. So we will discuss one by one. So first parameter lookup is lookup value. So lookup value in VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, lookup are same. It's depend on your requirement. So our requirement is right here is pencil. So we select B2 cell is lookup value, put comma. Second parameter is lookup vector. So lookup vector, we simply understand a place where your lookup value situated. As you can see, we have a product column, and in this product column we also have a pencil which we use in our lookup function as a lookup value. So for lookup vector you just need to select this column, freeze this, put comma. Third parameter is result vector. So before use result vector, let me show you the reality of lookup, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So guys, when you use VLOOKUP, then there is a limitation with VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP also. So when you use VLOOKUP only work when your lookup value is in first column and your data is in vertical format. You can see this is vertical format, and VLOOKUP run left to right. Similarly, when you use HLOOKUP, there is also a limitation with HLOOKUP. In HLOOKUP you need data in row wise. This is a row wise data, or you can say horizontally. Now let's come back to our sheet. But there is a no limitation with lookup. You can use lookup from left to right, right to left, up to down, down to up, anywhere you can use. But you have to remember two things. You can see the parameter, there is a no parameter for exact match. So lookup always provide you approx match. So let's come back to our formula. So here you can see the result vector. So for result vector you just need to select a range from where you want to show your answer. Let's see by practical. So we have lookup value pencil which is in a B2 cell, and we want to see the price of pencil. So we need to select pencil column data from B2 to B select. We select. So this is a result vector because we want answer from this column right now. Press enter. Now you say we have an answer 140. Let's check. So in this data we have pencil with price of 140. You know very well that VLOOKUP only work left to right, and HLOOKUP also has their limitation, but lookup has no limitation. You can go left to right, right to left. So here we just going to use this for all as a lookup value. So let's see practical example. Type lookup value B14. So guys, this is a very important portion of lookup. So we have lookup value. Second parameter lookup vector. I already told you lookup vector, simply select your range, comma, result vector. So now we are going to get product name. Which product name has this description for all, as I use as a lookup value. So just need to select your product, bracket close, press enter, and here you can see we have an answer book. If you want to change, let's see it will work or not. So here you can see we use another description for office use only, and here you can see we buy pen, those are only for office use. Let's move our another example. So here I am going to copy first column because this is also very important. Just need to copy and paste. So now you can see guys, we just simply copy our first column data in row wise. Again we are going to use lookup in this scenario because this is a very tough scenario. You will not get answer easily without using lookup function. So first parameter, again lookup value. So we are going to use B2 cell, sorry, B12 cell, pencil, lookup vector. Now we are going to change our lookup vector. Earlier we select from A2 to A6. Now we change our lookup vector. Here you can see guys, we select B17 to F17, and that is row wise, put comma result vector. If you want to see description, so put bracket, press enter. Let me increase the size so that you will see easily the difference. So here you can see guys, we have answer is for student. If you want to change, that will also change. So for study, so we select lookup value as a table lamp. So table lamp for study only. So I hope now you understand first version of our lookup function. Let's move to our second version. So here I am going to create a very small example guys. Please pay attention, and if you have any question, concern, please comment. So guys, here we create a very small project area, and now we are going to use your second version of lookup function. Type lookup. So second version parameter first is lookup value, which is similar. So we select D10, which is blank cell, put comma. Second parameter is array. So here we need to select our complete data, put bracket, press enter, and you can see we have an error right here. The reason behind this error, because we select a D10 cell, and in this cell we do not have any value. So we need to put some value right here, and you can see as I typed 9 and we have answer A. So this is a rank for number 9. We just create a small example so I can tell you which type of scenario I am using. So here you can see, so now from number 1 to number 9 we allocate a rank A, and from number 10 to 19 we allocate a rank B, and from 20 to above 20 we give rank C. So let's type another number. So we type 19, so you can see we have rank B. If we type 100, so we have rank C. So now I hope you understand how you can use lookup function in Excel. Guys, I'm just trying to give you the complete concept of each and every formula and function for Excel. So if you like this video, please press thumbs up sign and subscribe our channel. You will get red color subscribe button below the video. Please press, and also press bell icon for latest update. So thanks for watching guys.